So anyway, so my suggestion is
Thanks.
Call 14-627. Wally, characters remain the same, sir, you remind you of the roll. Have a seat.
All right, the issue of the petition that we filed to terminate the order cancel, are you accepting service and ready to proceed, or do you want to be served again?
No, I'd like to be, my client was not served, I just happened to catch it on e-court the other day, that's why I saw it. I compared the docket numbers, so I
So
notified
you
my
wish
client.
to be served again?
Yes, because my
I'm
client.
going to
likes
issue
to-
you summons again on that, sir. Please make sure that it's done in the right way this time.
Objection.
Okay, what is your objection?
Point of clarification. Why do I have to come back here again? Why am I in here when my children aged out?
Because there's a provision in the stipulation that if one of the children is in college, then it has to go under 22.
Objection. This court doesn't have jurisdiction to enforce stipulations. Brescia versus Fitz, Bowden versus Bowden. Okay?
See you here on October.
So you just respond unresponsive. I mean, how do I get any justice in here? Am I just going to be ignored?
I just let you know, sir, that I
Can you answer that question?
I do have the authority.
You do. Tell me then.
It's in the stipulation and in the divorce.
Tell me. I know that backwards and forwards. Tell me, please, because I don't see your name anywhere in there that says you can change my order. Stipulation of settlement is an agreement between two people, not you, not anybody in this room. Okay?
Consult an attorney, sir.
I don't need to consult an attorney. I know what a contract is. No, that's not a problem. Okay, I came in here with an attorney 5 times, and you kept adjourn. He never had anything. What is my time doesn't mean anything? So tell me your jurisdiction again, please. I want to hear it
It's
on the record.
where family court has concurred jurisdiction to enforce
Permitted by law.
stipulation of settlement.
Permitted by law.
On your
New York State Constitution,
are you seeking
Section
summons?
6, Article 13, Section 4, Sub B. Family court has jurisdiction on dependents except dependents incidental to divorces. Are we incidental to a divorce right now? I'm not done.
Go ahead.
Okay, keep going. So do you have any ruling on that, or that doesn't count anymore, the Constitution?
Are you withdrawing your petition?
Are you
sir?
bound by the Constitution?
Are you withdrawing
Are you
your
bound by the Constitution? Yes or no? Unresponsive as usual.
Okay.
Unresponsive.
October 17th.
Do you know that fraud is a crime? Are you aware that fraud is a crime?
On the other
Are you aware that fraud is a crime? Are you aware that fraud is a crime?
I'm glad you know the law. very
I know the law very good.
well. On the
Yeah,
other
I know.
motions
Do you know that fraud is a crime?
Can you explain? Listen to me now.
No, I'm not going to listen
The
to
other two
you.
motions that you filed, they're filed as a motion to vacate. You indicated before you don't want them before me. However,
You have no jurisdiction to. You're a non-judicial official. You're nobody.
if they're filed as a motion to vacate, so they will be before me. If you intended to have them as objections, I guess you have.
I am entitled to a judicial review. A judicial review goes before a judge. You're not a judge. You're a non-judicial officer based upon New York State Trial Rules 205.32. You're an appointed non-judicial person. You have no judicial powers at all. None. Zilch.
If you wish that to be
Zero.
filed as an objection, sir. they
I
can-
filed an objection. It's still on the record. So what happened with that?
That is going to be determined by the trial.
Really, when?
On the note, I'm talking about the two motions that I have before me.
What motions are that?
To demand to vacate the lack of jurisdiction under CPL.
When was that filed?
You don't know, sir?
Well, listen. I mean, you never respond to them anyway, or offer evidence.
These are two motions before me on my calendar, and they were filed. We have A and we have B.
Well, B was withdrawn by them.
Which one? No, it's your motion, sir.
Well, okay, go ahead.
Notice of motion that you filed, and this was on May 4th, 2016.
Okay, so you're not going to rule on that? Are you going to offer any evidence?
Can't, because you
I want you to rule on evidence. You don't have it. You haven't offered any evidence at all. You haven't cited one piece of evidence.
Do you wish those motions to be before me, sir?
I wish for you to provide me evidence. Do I have a right to a fair and meaningful hearing?
My question is, I do.
No answer.
Do you want those as objections, or do you want this as motion to vacate?
Do I have a right to a fair and meaningful hearing?
All right, we'll keep this as.
Are you an impartial
We'll
adjudicator?
keep this as motions before me.
Are you an impartial adjudicator? No, unresponsive, as usual. Do you make any rulings based on evidence or just based upon you don't like me?
I
Okay.
have absolutely no personal prejudice.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay.
I am just following
Yeah.
what I have to do as per the law.
Oh, really? What law is that? What about CPLR? You don't follow that 5016, where money judgments are supposed to be filed with the clerk's office? You know, I don't owe any money. I checked it. There's nothing filed against me.
Since you are not.
And then you ruled that I got to give him $10,000. He's not looking for it because he knows he can't.
What I need to advise you is that if
You're not allowed to give me legal advice.
if I make a ruling on the motions and if I deny them, you will have a right to then file an objection because you will then have to object to that and that will go before the judge. And then, of course, if you don't like the ruling from there, you'll have the right to.
I can object to anything that you do in here. I am allowed to object. That's my right.
Do you wish these motions to anyway be before me, or do you want to file them, refile them as objections and to present them before a judge?
No, I'll let you. I'm curious to see your response to him. And are they going to be based on evidence? Can I ask that question? Are they going to be based on evidence?
You get my decision.
Yes or no?
You'll get my decision.
Yes or no?
So we'll keep the motions here, and we'll see you here on October 17th.
Wow, all the way back October now.
That's when my question is.
Oh, and did you make a ruling on when my son is going to age out, even though a dependent is 18 years of age? Or are you going to keep enforcing a stipulation that you have no authority to enforce?
Thank you.
Nah, I'm not coming back here.
And counsel, if you wish.
And why do we have all these officers in here? Have I ever threatened you?
If he's going to proceed on the petition, I'm not going to proceed on the motion, you can file it because they've already stopped charging him. As a genuine man is not being charged.
I don't know why all you guys are in here trying to intimidate me for it. It's stupid. I've never threatened this woman before. And I have reason to, trust me. Every one of you are witness in here to what she does.